Hey guys, I've got a fresh bike ready to hit the showroom floor. We need some miles on it, and so I get to take it around here in Pilsen. I'm very excited. It's a Bonneville T100. You know, I have my preconceived notions about it. This is the new 2026 in stone gray. I'm very excited to get to show you this bike, and let's hop to it. You know, Pilsen is calling. Let that fuel injector kick up. Put some miles on it here. It's Triumph, so we're gonna pull in our clutch. Give it a second. There we go. I swear this never happens. All right. I got brand new bike, just PDI'd. So let's see what Pilsen has to offer. Nice torque, nice feeling. Take now to adjust my mirrors, as every safety, professional knows. You want to start moving before you adjust your mirrors. That is key. And if you notice right now, you've been watching the gas tank, if you can see it, it just filled up. It read its gas. It took it a minute. Triumph usually takes a minute when you fill up gas. I remember when I first got my new Triumph, I kept thinking something was wrong with it, but nothing was wrong with it. It just takes a minute for the fuel to read it. I'm gonna let this Toyota go, Camry. You know, I got in trouble with a guest the other day. I was like, can you move your Miata? And it was not a Miata, it was a Supra, and they got really offended by that. I guess I understand. It'd be like calling this bike an INT 650. Woo! Some construction, man in yellow boots. Always pay attention to your friends on cycles. Yeah, I mean, it's a Triumph Bonneville, beautiful power delivery. Everything just kind of right where you want it. Lovely day here in Pilsen. We're gonna do a full test ride route. Requires a turn. Damon. The neighborhood's alive, bicycles are out. Really hard to like bicyclists, even after all these years, I'm gonna be honest. I'm just kidding. All right. It's still making me want to go a little bit faster. Look, I got this Highlander keeping the pace for me. I'm gonna do a turn, gonna see how that feels. Downshift, bring some front brake pressure, sink those forks. Here we go. Yeah! Luckily for us, there's always somebody in a subcompact SUV who is lost. Seems like trash season came early into Chicago. Usually, I feel like it's later on in the spring that all the trash is flying everywhere. Been seeing quite a lot of stuff. I saw political ads from a different district up north. Lots of magazines. But the wind is up. I'm sure we're feeling it in the microphone. little off-road with our, or urban off-road, some urban enduro. And what that means is let's just go to where the road isn't really well maintained. Yeah, I mean, really great bike. Like, the Bonneville T100 and T120 are perfect. You know, there's the people who are like, oh, I mean, why not just get the T120? And yeah, you know, that's a 6th gear, but there's nothing wrong with the T100. 5 gears is all right. It really depends on where you are in your riding journey. And that's not a statement on, skill either, because, you know, sometimes you get the most powerful bike you can, you realize you want something a little bit smaller. We're all on our own journeys. The path is long. Doesn't really matter the destination. The only thing that really matters is the scenery. And you can take in a lot of really nice scenery on a Bonneville T100. Just really easy going in the city, really manageable weight, really nice seating position. I like where my arms fall on it. I love the, what is that? I'm blanking now that I have a microphone at me. The dials. It's just an overall really beautiful bike. It looks old, it behaves new. There is now a USB port right here. You can charge your phone. There's cornering, ABS, standard. You know, there's still not cruise control. You don't get the center stand like you used to. But those are all capable of being added on to. Gives you a really great bike, really great value. Just a solid little motorcycle. I think I saw it on one YouTube review about these, the most motorcycle that ever motorcycled. I mean, that's a Bonneville T100. It's got a good sound. You can kind of hear it. You know, it has a nice little whine with that pea shooter exhaust. Parallel twin. Definitely sounds better with this 270-degree crank than the older ones, but you know, there's charm to the old ones too. But that's a lot more charming. You know, really the difference between Hugh Grant and Tom Arnold. I don't want to pick on Tom Arnold. I like Tom Arnold. The Stupids is a great movie. Not as charming as Hugh Grant. Notting Hill, it's classic. You know what else is a classic? Bonneville T100. It's a modern classic. Oh, look at that dog.